Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. My order finally arrived, so we start today in my workshop to quick look what is inside, and then I will show you step by step how to replace your original long tail to a new short version called tail tidy. We will base on the new 2025 model of Yamaha MT-07. Let's begin. What we have inside is a new short tail. Then we have some adapters for your indicators, some cable ties, some other bits and pieces. And your back LED lights for your reg plate. So we start with the bike. We remove the old tail first, and then we put everything together and install on the bike. We are ready to get started. First we have to remove the passenger seat. We start with removing this plastic panel. So first we have to remove those two pins. We use the flathead screwdriver and press the pins inside. And then the whole plastic panel should come out easily. Next, use your 4mm Allen key to remove two bolts holding rider seat. Then you should be able to remove seat itself. Then with the same Allen key remove those 6 bolts. Remove 2 push pins that they connecting tank panels to the side panels. Then you need 12mm socket to remove those 2 bolts. Use Phillips screwdriver to remove 2 screws holding back light panel. Then remove the panel. Now it's time to disconnect some wires. This one, and the black one here. Just press on the side and pull back. Underneath the bike, remove those 4 push pins. Now we will be able to remove the side panels, so we have to just gently lift it up and push it back. The final step will be to remove those 4 bolts with the 8mm socket. Now your tail will be free to go. Just be careful for the cables. We're back to the workshop. So if you use stock indicators, we have to transfer them to the new tidy tail. Using 4mm Allen key, we have to remove those 4 bolts. Now the wires are free, so we can remove the indicators. The important thing is that the black plug, it will be your left indicator, and the white plug will be the right indicator. Now we can fit them to the new tie detail. Number 1. That's a little bit tricky part, so you can use some tools like a flat screwdriver to just press on the rubber part to go through. So both indicators are sorted now. Now, when both indicators are fitted, the next thing will be your LED light for your plate. So now we can put all the cables through this hole. And we can use some cable ties to put them together. So we are outside again, and we are ready to put this back. So we have to put the cable through first, and then use 4 bolts 8mm to screw it back. There is an extra plate that that it's actually going on the top of that, and that plate will hold our backlight in the position. So don't forget to put that on the top. So like you see here, that small plate is holding your tail light. So now it's time to tighten the bolts. And the same on the other side. Before you put everything back, there'll be no harm to check if your indicators are connected properly. When all cables are connected and tidy up, now it's time to put the plastics back. Now there's another plate that has to go under the plastic up to there. So when we have that on the place, now we can use our plastic pins to put everything back. The bigger one is going actually here. Smaller one here. So next will be your backlight cover. Should click in, and you can fix that with the screws on the top. Two bolts here. And 12mm socket. Bolts back on. 4mm Allen key to fix them up. Next, 2 pins here. And the rider seat. Now the next will be that plastic trim. And 2 pins. And after that, passenger seat. So that's the final effect. The only thing what we're missing now is the reg plate, but we won't fit this one. We go for a way smaller for the reg plate. Now I would say job done. In my opinion, looks way better than before. Let me know in the comments what you think. All the best and see you soon again.